Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. New, brilliant, Aurora HDR, landscape and nature collections offer many beautiful looks. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Those dull-looking outdoor images can now become a thing of the past, thanks to this versatile collections of nature and landscape Aurora HDR looks. We love photo editing so much, and figured out a few unpredictable ways to push the controls and create some amazing results. These fantastic collections are ideal for bringing the very best of your outdoor photography. Finally, it's time to enjoy breathtaking sunsets and outdoor images enhanced with incredible Aurora HDR effects. These Aurora HDR looks will bring out amazing color and tone in your photos without compromising quality. Apply them to achieve an artistic look. Gorgeous for landscapes, cityscapes, garden, and nature photography. Beautiful Aurora HDR presets from the art studio, a real utopian landscape photography paradise. They're perfect for photographers that spend their days gazing at sunsets or simply relaxing after a hard day's work. If some presets are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. Whether you are a professional photographer, an aspiring amateur, or really picking up the camera for your first time, these collections will enrich your images with just one click. At first stunning with colors, these looks are quick to warm up and achieve a look that has long been elusive to many. These filters continue to surprise as you get to know them. Do not miss the chance to get fantastic Aurora HDR, landscape, and nature collections